Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I will guide you through the process of making a bootable USB drive with a program called Ventoy. With this bootable USB you can add multiple ISO files and you can boot from any of the operating systems at any time. This video we will be using Linux, and in case you are a Windows user you can check out another video by a guy called APK Evan. The link will be in the description. Getting started, let's go to Ventoy website. So this is the Ventoy website. From here you need to download the program, so we go to downloads. Under downloads we need to I'll download the Linux, so pick the Linux and then proceed to download from here. It's 19 MB. So once your zip file has been downloaded, we need to extract it, and to do that we need to right click and extract with Archive Manager. Alternatively, you can extract with the terminal. So I'll write the following command. Make sure to use sudo. Then after exf you enter the name of the zip file. So mine is already there, and hit enter. Input password. And yeah, once it is done, you can close the terminal. We need to go into the folder, and from here we need to run this executable file, the ventoy to disk.sh is an executable file, and it's the one we need to run. Now you can read this file called readme. It can guide you through. So at this point you need to connect your USB drive. Should be at least 8 GB and above. So mine is 32 GB, and once it is connected, I need to check its name. So I can open the terminal from here and run the following command: lsblk, hit enter, and then check. So SDA1 is my hard disk, SDB is my secondary hard disk, then SDC is says 28.7 GB. So this is my USB drive, so I know it's SDC. Now back to this folder. So according to the readme file, it says we are going to run sudo sh ventoy to disk.sh, and then there are several options. So you can use small I to install, and it will fail if there is another Ventoy directory. Capital I will force installation even if there is an existing one. If you use U, it will update over the existing one. So since my hard disk is empty, I will use the small I to install. At this point, if you have anything important on your USB drive, you should back up, then you can proceed. So I will open the terminal, and then from the terminal I'll come back here and copy this command all the way to that point. Then I'll paste it over here. Then from there I will use hyphen small I for install. Then it says you should select your USB drive at this point, and it should be in the format of DEV SD something. So I've checked mine is SDC, so I should input dev /SDC. Now make sure to double check this is the right USB drive. In case you have multiple USB devices connected to your machine, you can unplug them just in case you don't want to mess with the wrong USB drive. So mine is SDC, so I'll hit enter. It asks for a password. I'll enter my password and hit enter. It's a warning, says all data on the disk will be lost. I'm fine with that. I'll type yes, hit enter. It will ask again, type yes and enter. Now let's give it time to create. Installation successful. So our Ventoy disk has been created. So all that remains is to navigate into that disk and say this folder is empty. You can also check from disks. So I'll go to disks and then check. So this is my thumb USB drive, and you can see there are two partitions. There's this FAT32 partition with 34 MB, and then there's the Ventoy partition. So you can copy all your ISO files and paste them here. They should be bootable. Now to demonstrate that, I have several ISO files, so I'll go to my hard disk, and then I have Garuda OS, I have Manjaro, and I have Windows 10. So I'll copy the three of them and then copy, and I will paste them in exactly in this folder. I'll give them time to copy. After the files have copied, your USB drive should be ready. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe.